Hello! Today I will be teaching you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint to create visual presentations. Office 365 Education allows for students and educators at eligible institutions to receive Office 365 for free. This currently includes Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Teams. Today we will be focusing on PowerPoint. If your school is a participant in this program, you should be able to create an account using your school email address. Once you have, go ahead and open the PowerPoint app, and this is what you will see. The home page shows you different presentation templates, as well as any files you may have opened recently, have pinned, or have shared with you. The new option focuses more on the templates that you kind of saw in the beginning. You can kind of look through these and see what you may like. Opening allows you to access some files that you may have had recently. You can also look at your account, leave feedback, or look at advanced options. To create a presentation, let's go back to this new page and choose a template that you like. So just looking through here, let's go with this. Let's go with this one, woven fibers. So this is just like any other template. When you open it, you'll see the title screen, and you'll be on this home screen. This is where you'll spend most of your time. This is where you can add new slides. You can change your font size, your font, you can bold it or underline, that kind of thing. If you go to the Insert tab, this is another way you can add slides. Let's add a different type. Let's add this one. You can also add pictures, tables, text box, videos, basically anything you would like to add, you would insert here. If we go to the Draw tab, you can draw directly on your presentation using one of these designs. Going to the Design tab allows you to kind of change what the format of your slides are like. So because we chose this theme, this is what it looks like. You can change that at any time here. You can also look at different design ideas. So let's say you want to mix it up. You can choose this one for some color, or this one to just kind of break up the text. Moving on, these transitions are fun. These are how you can transition from one slide to the next slide. If you're using this for an academic project, I would be careful, but they are a fun way to kind of spice it up. So if you do here, this allows you to transition between this slide and the other slide. Animations are similar, but it is directly applied to your text. So let's just write sample text here and sample text again. So to add animations to these, we would select this and say, let's try flying. So that is what that would look like. And let's try this one. So again, if this is for a project, I would be careful, but they are good for creativity. Moving on to the slideshow tab, this is where you can practice your slideshow. You can look at timings, you can set it up, you can even record it. So this is if you need to send in your slideshow as opposed to giving it in person, this is where you go. Very similar to this tab, which is where you can record video. This review tab is kind of good. So this allows you to check spelling, accessibility. You can also use this to translate or look at the language of your slideshow. View is really for you when you're looking at this, so you can look at it in a different way, and this will just change the way it looks when you're editing it. You can change it from grayscale to color if you would like. That's what that tab is for. Finally, the last thing I want to go over is this Help tab. I hope this has been a helpful tutorial, but there are a lot more options here where you can connect with feedback, support. They have trainings here that you can also view. So this is a really good tab if you need some additional help. And again, you can look at your account here. Make sure you save. This is where you can save your project. But I hope that has been helpful, and good luck presenting.